Let's get into how to use crowdfunding successfully. Crowdfunding has helped thousands of entrepreneurs, artists, and innovators bring their ideas to life. But here's the truth: crowdfunding campaigns actually fail. So, how do you make yours a success? Well, I want to give you some steps you can use to earn a winning crowdfunding campaign. What crowdfunding really is. Crowdfunding is when you raise money directly from a community of backers online, instead of relying on banks and investors. It's not just about money though, it's about validation, building a fan base, and proving that your idea has demand. You need to choose the right platform. Not all crowdfunding platforms are created equal. For example, Kickstarter is the best for creative projects, tech, or design. Then you have Indiegogo, which is flexible funding and is great for innovation. Then you have GoFundMe, which is for more personal causes, charity, and community support. The platform you choose should make your project's type and your target backers. Planning is everything. Successful crowdfunding doesn't start on launch day, it starts months before. Here's what you need to prepare. The first thing is a clear goal. Set a realistic funding target. Too high looks unreasonable, but too low might not cover costs. Tell a compelling story. People fund stories, not just projects. Share your why. Have eye-catching visuals. Have photos, prototypes, and video pitches. Those are essential. Have a budget breakdown. Backers want to know where their money goes. Transparency really does build trust. Then you need to create rewards that excite. Rewards are what make people hit the back button. Offer early bird deals to reward first movers. Include unique perks like behind-the-scenes access. Keep your rewards simple to fulfill. Overcomplicated processes can sink your campaign later. Then you need to build a community before you launch. Don't launch to an empty room. Build hype beforehand. Collect emails from interested people. Create social media buzz. Reach out to bloggers, podcasters, or influencers in your niche. The golden rule is aim to raise at least 30% of your goal in the first week. This momentum attracts more backers. Running a campaign. During the campaign, you need to stay active. Post updates daily, thank backers publicly, and share milestones such as we're 50% funded. Momentum and visibility are everything. After the campaign, success doesn't end when the funding goal is reached. Now you need to deliver. Keep communication open with backers, be honest if there are delays, and deliver on promises because this can launch your brand into a long-term business.